So have you seen my screen, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. We have done the which configuration. So there is network issue.
Payroll basic pay.
Yes. So we have now started check wage type catalog. Okay, that is page number 115. Let's go the page number 115. SAP HCM. So previously any doubt? Anyone please ask me.
No doubt, sir.
No, sir. No doubts.
No, sir.
So today we have started define wage type permission for the each personal and okay. So this is the your wage type. Okay. So what is our wage type? So our wage type is 1200. So in 1200 we giving the permission. There is three options. One is that is blank means we have not given any permission. Wage type one is giving the permission. Okay. And two is giving the permission but with a one. So what do you mean by giving the permission in employee group and employee subgroup? See, whatever you were creating wage type now, that is some specific employee group and personal sub area. So in that wage type, you have to define whether that employee group or personal sub area grouping is giving the permission, yes or no. So how we can giving the permission? By giving the permission, take as one for wage type permission. Have you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can take as see our employee grouping is two is permanent or salary employee. But we can take one also because sometimes what happen in case of the contractual, we can take one and permanent we can take two. So we can given the 1, 2, 3 as an employee group giving the permission. So personal sub area also we can giving the permission as 1, 2, 3 taking as one. Have you understand the concept?
Yes, sir. Both are
Okay.
same, sir.
Yeah, both are same, but the code is always taken as one because it's a wage type permission given. Okay. So let's start it.
Okay, sir.
We are 9006. So you are going for the taking the step. So this is our step. Okay. Personal management, personal administration, payroll data, basic way. Let's do. SPR is a common key code for everyone for doing the configuration. Then going for the payroll management. Okay. So now going, no, this is not for the payroll part, it's a part of the personal management. Some part of the personal management, some part of the separate payroll management. Okay. Payroll data. Basically, waste. Waste. So in this waste type, we are going for the which person waste type catalog. So now going for the check waste type catalog. Okay. So now going for the define waste type permissibility of intergrouping and subgrouping. So who can tell me our waste type is 1200. So have you seen my screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we can give the permission. So that is already given, predefined, that is standard permission is already given. Only we just check it. 1201, that is the same 123 given the permission 123. Again going to cross check it, allowance 123 given the permission 123. And 1003 that is double. Okay. So everything is fine. So only we just cross check it, okay, whether the permission is giving or not. Then we are moving for the waste type characteristics. See, it's most important. What do you mean by waste type characteristics? Just a minute. What do you mean by waste type character? Okay. Alice, I am asking a simple question. What do you mean by character? So,
Character.
yeah. So suppose I am asking, can you say the character of Ravindra? So what can you say about that person? Tell me anything.
Uh,
His personality skills,
l- like
like
any
about
good,
himself.
Yeah,
anything like attitude or
behavior. So
behavior.
yeah, like
Yeah.
that. So character is like that. It's one type of behavior. Okay. So in the waste type, there is some term and condition. How the waste type is behave. Am I right? So that is
Mhm.
known as waste type characteristics. So there are four type of waste type characteristics. So one is invaluation A, and another one is invaluation B, and invaluation C. What do we mean by invaluation A? We just discussed right now. Invaluation A means it's an indirect evaluation model. Means whatever we are given now, that data that is independent. Okay. So I think everyone expert in a payroll. Suppose I am giving one the scenario of CTC Kerala. So can you change or that is fixed? Who can tell? Whenever you decide the CTC of any candidate, so that CTC is fixed or that is changes may be monthly or quarterly, whatever the scenario. Anyone?
There
Sir,
is no
yearly
changes, sir.
increment
Yearly
changes.
changes.
No, I am not asking the yearly changes. I am saying suppose you are selected for a company level and what is that CTC suppose 6 lakh given to you. So that is mentioned in the offer letter. So that is changed or that is fixed, whatever they are fixed with you at the time of the interview.
Fixed. That is fixed.
That is
Perfect.
fixed, sir.
Perfect.
That is fixed.
Yeah, very good. So in this scenario, whatever we are given now, that is fixed. Okay, so that is known as indirect waste time. That is known as independent waste time. Means that is never be dependent any waste time. Whatever you are given now, that is fixed. So accept the amount, whatever you are like enter the amount that is fixed. So that is known as invaluation A. Okay, and that is representing as invaluation A. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in a CTC, but in case of the SAP, there is no concept of CTC. I'm just okay. So in a SAP, there is no concept of CTC. So what is the concept? That is slash TPA. Slash TPA also known as in SAP total package, or that is also known as CTC. So have you understand the concept in SAP? There is no concept of a CTC. There is only one concept that is slash TPA, that is total package. That is also known as CTC. So have you understand what do you mean by slash TPA in a SAP?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is a concept of the invaluation A, that is indirect evaluation model. So that is independent. So there is also written, accept the amount whatever you enter, like it's a fixed amount. Okay, so what do you mean by invaluation B? See, invaluation B is opposite of the invaluation A. So whatever you are typing now, that is dependent. Suppose you are like given the CTC 6 lakh to the Ravindra. So what is your basic? So basic is depending upon the CTC. It may be 50% of the CTC. It may be 40% of the CTC. Am I right? So invaluation B is dependent. Okay, waste type. So it's specially calculate basis. Okay, it's maybe one type of calculating percentage. Suppose HRA, basic, these are the one type of percentage. Okay, so basic is calculating from the CTC, maybe 40 or 50%. HRA is calculating from the basic of 40% in non-metro and 50% is from the metro city. So you know now the concept of the HRA, basic and CTC, how
Yes,
they
sir.
reflected to each other. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bhagyasri, have you understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So evaluation A and evaluation B. Any concern, any doubt, please ask me. Because most of the interview question they ask, what do you mean by evaluation A, evaluation B, evaluation C, evaluation D in a Western? Because it's a one type of character. And how the West type will behave due to the help of the evaluation A, evaluation B, evaluation C, evaluation D. Okay, so what do you mean by invaluation C? So invaluation C also one type of dependent, but it's given by the company. So whatever company given, system will accept. Okay, so it's given by the company standard. Suppose allowance, incentive. Okay, so that is depending by the company. Like how the company given the amount, that is depending upon the invaluation C. That is the code of the invaluation C. What is the invaluation D? Suppose you don't know what can company creating the slab, incentive or bonus, whatever. So you directly depending by the SAP. So SAP given one type of standard slab code. Okay. So now this is the concept of the invaluation A, invaluation B, invaluation C, and invaluation D. So everyone have understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Sir, invaluation A or
B.
BER break or something. What is that, sir?
Invaluation A, B, and C and D. Yes. Yes,
No,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Like invaluation A can also be called as break or something, sir.
Listen, they written a indirect evaluation module. Have you seen? Indirect evaluation module. It's a independent
Yes,
base
sir.
type. Okay. Okay, whatever you are asking,
Okay.
that is one type of example. So CTC is a example of evaluation. That is known as slash TPA. Okay, waste type is known as slash TPA. I think you are asking this type of
Okay.
question. Am I right?
Yes, sir. But in the notes, like it's given above the invaluation B, uh, their
Yes.
invaluation A or BERK break something is there, sir. Above that
Yes.
invaluation B, there is something underlined.
That is dependent waste type I am writing. It's a calculate on the
No, sir. Above
percentage.
that, above that.
I think it's a
Above.
blank or blank.
Acha,
Okay.
okay, blank. Got it.
Okay. It's maybe taken as invaluation A or maybe blank, but most of it are taken as invaluation B. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So invaluation A, invaluation B, invaluation C, invaluation D. So till now, any concern, guys?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So now we can
No,
see
sir.
the practical things. So have you seen my screen now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
going again for the same step, SPR, SAP Reference LMP, personal management. Whatever doing the configuration, that is a part of the personal management. So 50 to 60% configuration done in a personal management, 20 to 30% is done by the separate payroll management. So personal management, personal administration, as for the payroll data, basic pay, wage type, wage type catalog. So waste type characteristics. So what is my waste type? I can mention my waste type 1200. See, whenever we are maintain now 1200, you have to see. Okay, so first question is whenever you are decide this is basic HRA, or like incentive allowance, it's one type of component of the gross salary. Means everything is add. Basic plus HRA plus allowance plus incentive is a process of the gross salary. You know now what do you mean by gross? What do you mean by net salary in hand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And the concept of the enhanced salary means whatever you are getting gross now, that is deduction by the PF, ESIC, and professional tax, then that is the enhanced salary. So, who can tell me this is one type of gross salary which is add to the total, or it's one type of deduction? Yes, tell me. Anyone?
One
So
type
it's
of gross salary only.
yeah, so it's a add to the total, okay, and this is the input combination, that is plus. Okay. So what do you mean by amount plus? Plus means it's a one type of combination. Plus and minus. This is a one type of combination, that is input combination. So now we are moving for the most important part. It's invaluation A, B, C, D. Who can tell me? It's invaluation A or invaluation B or invaluation C or D. You can check. You can check also this explanation. Who can tell me? It's A, B, C, D. Basic salary. Yes. Anyone?
Basic salary B, sir. Evaluation B.
Perfect. It's a concept of the invaluation B because it's depending upon the CTC or in SAP that is known as /TPL. Okay. So it's maintained as a invaluation A. Sorry, B. Invaluation B. Just a minute. Yeah, it's a combination of the invaluation B. Very good. So everyone understand the concept? Alisek, Sesu,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sesu.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Bhagyasri,
Yes, sir.
I am asking this question to Bhagyasri. Okay, Bhagyasri, can you tell me house rent allowance is which category? Invaluation A, B, C, D. Bhagyasri, can you tell me?
Sir, can you repeat again?
Can you tell me house rent allowance is which type of invaluation? It's invaluation A or B or C or D?
Sir, it's in C.
See, it's B, na? It's see house
Oh,
rent
sorry, it's
allowance
B.
because house rent allowance is depending upon the basic. So 40% of the basic if you are staying in a non-metro and 50% of the basic if you are staying in a metro. So it's a B. Never say
B.
C. Yeah. Sesu, can you tell me? Allowance? It's A, B, C, D.
Allowance is C, sir,
Perfect.
because depends on the company.
Yeah, C. Allowance, incentive also C. So till now, any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I think Savita is not joining today. I think there's time. Okay, so have you received previous class video? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay, so I can
No,
send you
sir.
two. So I can send you two videos, today's and previous class. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 videos.
Yes. So just maintain the date. Yes, that is also correct. Yes, date also change. Yes. Then going to the third, that is four. Yeah, everything is fine. So till now, any concern, guys? Please confirm me.
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
now we are checking for the waste type characteristics. This type is already done, I think. So. Waste type characteristics. Yes, we have done this type. Okay, invaluation A, B, C, D is also completed. So now going for the revised page grouping. See, whatever we are doing now, the waste type configuration. So that is we can given some specific group. See, Suppose I can given the gross salary 20,000. So can I give to the gross salary 20,000 for everyone employee, or I can give some specific group like manager, yeah, a specific officer grade. I can give some specific amount for a specific group. Anyone?
Yeah, specific group, sir.
Yeah, a specific amount that is maybe anything for the specific group. Because suppose I can give the same salary for the Bhagyasri, Sesu, Sabita, Alisek, Ravindra, suppose 20,000. So this is not a one type of transparency. So I can give in the different group having the different packages. So I can manage this type of package, suppose 20,000 for this group. 3 means it's a permanent group of salary employee. Every time we take 2, but in this case we can take 3 as a employee grouping. Okay, it's a, like salary grouping. It's not an employee grouping. It's a salary grouping taken as a 3. What is the like grouping? So we can take as a manager grade. What is the subgrouping? That is L1 grouping. So see, this is my CTC. Na? I am telling you slash TPA. So I can maintain slash TPA, basic HRA, allowance, everything. So this can be maintained only for the this group and this subgroup, manager group and L1 subgroup. Have you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Device pay scale grouping. Where is I cannot see device pay scale grouping. Yes. So what is my pay scale area? Pay scale area. Yes, DP.
Yes, DS.
No, DP and DS.
Achha, area is DB. Yes.
Just a minute. Area is DB and DS. Area is DB. Yes. DB and DS. So you have to maintain always Excel sheet, okay? Yes, it's a double salary employee, double Bangalore pay scale. So I am taking the grouping, salary grouping as taking as the 3 for the permanent salary. So what is my grade? I am maintaining this grade only for the manager. And what is the subgrouping? It's a subgrouping of L1. Okay. So first wage type I can maintain always, that is CTC. Because whenever you joining a company, now first maintain in a first statement, that is CTC. Again and again maintain basic HRA, allowance, incentive, like that. So I maintain first CTC. So in SAP there is no concept of CTC, concept of the slash TPA, that is total package. So start date, end date, you know, na? That is standard. Amount, you have not maintained anything. So you maintain like this. Okay, it's a manager grade. Everyone understand the concept? Please tell.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See also 1200, 1201, that is for the basic HRA incentive. Okay. See, whatever I am telling you right now, na, only that things I have maintained. Nothing. I have not maintained anything. Okay. So there is also maintenance. Slash TPA is nothing. It's nothing. It's one type of total package that is known as CTC. Grouping 3 means it's one type of permanent or salary. Then save it. Till now, any concern? Anyone? Please ask me.
No, sir.
What? So now moving for the next statement. So what is my next statement? My next statement is define valuation of base wage type. See, base wage type is most important. What do you mean a valuation? Okay. Suppose I can give you a mobile. Okay. So how you, suppose you buy a mobile like iPhone 13, but you want to sell it after the 6 months. So how you are going to the evaluation? There is some term and condition like iPhone 13, I am buying 60,000. I have been using around 6 months. So its value I can deduct 20,000. So I can sell it by the price of 40,000 or 35,000. Am I right? This is my evaluation. Or that is the concept of the valuation. So like that, what is the concept? You just evaluation of your wage type. So I can maintain the evaluation or valuation wage type basic. That is the 40% of the CTC. Have you seen? Same concept. And what is the concept of the HRA? So HRA, I can maintain 40% of the basic. Yes or no? This is a modification. PRZNT. Yes or no, guys? Please confirm me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it's nothing, it's one type of evaluation in a percentage basis. Whenever you are doing payroll, so you have also done the same concept. You take CTC of 40% take as basic, and HRA is 40% take as basic. So this is a scenario, okay? So like that, you also doing the same concept here is also. You have also defined waste time and how that is calculated from which waste time. So I can take the basic from the CTC, how many percentage? 40%. Have you seen, 40%.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, this is 40%. This is 40%. So I can take from the total package, I can take from the basic allowance. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so define valuation based wastage. Again, going for the define valuation of base wastage. Define valuation of base waste type. Have you seen that statement? Define valuation. Yes, this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So PRZNT, it's one type of modification. Okay. So it's a one type of percentage evaluation calculation. Means whatever you are doing now, this modification, that is only calculated in a percentage basis. So what is my first step? First step, I can take my basic waste type. So in my scenario, basic waste type is 1200. Yes, basic waste type for Java. So number I can take in 56, start date also I can take 01, that is standard. So from which waste type I can take? So I can take the basic waste type from the CTC, or in a concept, there is no concept CTC, that is in a TPS or TPA. Yes or no? So how many percent I can
Yes,
take?
sir.
I can
Yes,
take
sir.
40% of a CTC, that is a basic. Again, I can take the same scenario, PRZNP. So this is the scenario of house rent allowance. So how the house rent allowance is calculated? It should be calculated from the basic of 40%. I can take like this, like this. Okay. So I can take, this is from the basic. So basic is 1200. So how many percent? 40%.
40 or
Yeah. 40 or 50, but in my scenario, I can take 40%.
okay, sir.
So till now, any confusion, guys, or any doubt, please ask me.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Very good. So now moving to the next. So the next step is device default waste type. Okay. So again, we have to maintain this waste type like ZHRD sequence number like that. So, anything 1, 2, 3, 4 start date, that is maintained 0101 1100 3500. But there is a one modification, that is O and F. So O means it's a rewritable, or F means it's a fix. Okay, I am asking you simple question. Suppose you are doing a payroll process and you are maintain the basic is suppose 10,000. But sometime, after some period of time, your management telling you no, you have not given that person a 10,000 basic because that person is already experienced, so you can give 12,000. So in this scenario, I can take as a waste type as modification as a O, that is overwritten or changeable, or I can take as F, that is fixed or locked. Which scenario I can take? Anyone?
Oh,
Oh,
sir.
sir.
F.
Because it can be changed.
No,
No,
it's
sir. Oh,
perfect. It's O. Because whatever I am given now, that is I can change in the near future. So that's why it's written as rewritable or overwritten. But whenever I am giving F now, that is fixed. you cannot change. And you know now, if you are not changing any pay scale or basic pay, HRA or anything of a component of any employee, so it's difficult for you because that employee never will join your company. Yeah, that person say, no, I am selected for the 20,000 and you are giving 15,000. How can it possible? I leave that company. I am not interested to join. So that's why in that scenario, you have to maintain, or that is, you can change immediately 15 to 20,000 or whatever the scenario, you have to change it. Everyone understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Device default waste time. Perfect. So I can take ZHRD, but I think someone taking. Okay, let's see if someone taking. So we cannot take. Otherwise, we can take start date, end date. So we can take as a modification. Where is that modification? Yes, that is basic and HRD. That is basic. Modification is always taking O. See, here is also written. O means overwritten or change. What is my waste time? Basic, that is 102. So ZHRD 30 into me. Same. So this is also change overwritten. Okay, I think ZHRD is taken. So have you understood the concept? And one more thing, if I want to change, I can change other thing also. Other also waste
Sir,
time.
what is that ZHRD?
That is step. That is I am telling na. ZHRD is modification table. Okay. So that is using for
Okay.
the see. Previously I am telling you. ZHRD. I think this is I am telling. Not this ZHRD. I am telling that ZHRD is a waste type modification table. In this table, this is using for the base calculation or evaluation. Suppose I am taking as a basic. So how I am going for the evaluation basic salary from the CTC, 40% of the CTC. At that time, ZHRD is requirement. It's a one for modification table. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So I can take other waste type if possible. Okay. If that is not taken. Okay. So have you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Still
sir.
not. I think now it should be taken. No, ZHRD is now also not taken. Yes, now taken. See, this is only the issue of the sequence number. Okay, so that's why that's not taken. So whatever we are doing now, waste type, that is editable. Am I right? That is editable. That is, you have to change it.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So till now, any concern from anyone, please ask me.
No, sir.
No, sir. No concern.
Very good. So now moving for the next slide. So enterprise structure for waste type model. Okay, so we can maintain this. Yes. So this is a feature LGMST. What do you mean by LGMST? That is plant payment specification. Okay, suppose have you seen a pay slip? So there is n number of components. It may be CTC, it may be basic HRA, allowance, incentive, PF, PSIC, everything. So who can tell me how many pay component you can take? You can take n number of pay components. But in SAP, you have to maintain only 20 pay components. Like basic, HRA, incentive, allowance, CPA, PSIC, professional tips, bonus, deduction, everything, but it should be below 20. So this is my concern. So you have to maintain Okay. Yes or no? That is LGMST features. Enterprise
Okay.
structure for
Yes,
waste
sir.
type model. Enterprise structure for waste type model. This one. So I just maintain my company code. Okay, you just directly maintain your employee code. What is my employee code in Java? Employee code Java.
Sir, employee group XQ.
Yeah, thank you. X and Q. Yes, employee code.
Yes.
That is X. But I think someone maintain X and Q, so we can. Someone maintain na? No, no one maintain X and Q. So now we have been maintained. Suppose someone maintain na X and Q, so we cannot take it's one type of error messages. So okay, so that is one type of issue. So you have to check it whether your employee group is maintained or not. X and Q na.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can take that return value 20 by ZHRT. 20 by ZHRT. Because we can take waste type highest 20. We cannot take more than 20 in a pay series. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then check it and active. Have a new. So now we are creating the allowance. What do you mean by allowance? See, it's a one type of group. Okay. Suppose sometime what happen now, whatever you are giving now allowance, that is having some grouping. See, different allowance having the different country grouping. So India having the different, allowance given. In USA and Germany, there is having a different allowance. So we have to define
Yes.
different pay scale grouping for allowance. Okay, so now we are moving for the core payroll module. Whatever we are doing now, configuration, that is a part of the personal management and personal administration. Only 50 to 60% we have done from that side, and the rest 40 or 50% we have done by the pure payroll process. See how? So we are moving the payroll, again payroll India, in pay scale grouping, define pay scale grouping, then let's see. Let's back. SAP reference IMG, payroll, and again going for the payroll India. Okay. Pay scale grouping, yes. Where is the pay scale grouping? Anyone? Payroll India, pay scale grouping.
Sir, there only, sir. Below that circumvention. Below that, sir. Below that. Create wage types for cost
Yes, yes.
accounting. Yes, sir.
Thank
There.
you. So different. So we can take our own. Okay. That is our own group. So everything whenever we are creating now customization, that is start by the Z. Z DAB, Z tower. So it's we can take the name that is allowance group for tower employee. Allowance group for tower. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Going for the next step, assign pay scale allowance. We have completed. Again, we have assigning the same concept. Assign pay scale, new entries. So what is my pay scale area? Pay scale area, pay scale, DP and DS. DP, pay scale area, DS. So employee grouping or salary grouping taking us 3. PS grouping, that is manager. Am I right? Yes. Manager
Yes, sir.
and subgrouping, L1 category. Take as the manager, L1 category. What is my allowance group? Now I am creating Z, D, A,
DAB.
Perfect. Z, D, A, B. That is allowance grouping tower. Now enter it and save it. So till now, any concern, guys? Please tell me.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So now we are
Sir, we need to maintain the Excel.
definitely every time I am saying you have to maintain the Excel. Okay. So now
Yes,
we
sir.
are going for the basic salary, which is also okay. Basic salary for India now assigned basic wage type. Okay. So now we are moving for the basic salary, that is assigned basic wage type. Okay. So whatever we are doing now, only you just doing the allowance group, that is we are creating, that is ZDAB. So we can take our basic 1200 and starting from 19 and starting to enter. Just basic salary for India. Yes, this is basic salary for India. So we are creating assigned basic wage type of grouping allowance. This one. Okay. Going for the new entry. So what is our allowance group? ZDAB.
ZDAB.
Perfect. So we can take our basic wage type, that is
1200.
there is nothing concept of the pay wage type. Only one concept is there, start date and end. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say you just only maintain the your basic. Set. Till now, any concern?
No, sir.
Sir, no need to maintain slash TPA.
But you want to maintain now, that is not taken. Suppose I maintain ZDAB. Okay. I am maintaining slash TPA. It should not be maintained. Because only one wage type is maintained. Am I right? So that's why we
Okay,
cannot
okay.
take
Understood.
wage type. See, WPH already given by others also. You can see now, someone has given last
Yes,
period.
sir.
That's why it's so we can take only one WPH. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So now moving for the most important part. What do we mean by reinvestment allowance and PER? So what do we mean by REP? RAP. It's one type of allowance. Have you seen my screen now?
Yes, sir.
RAP in SAP. Let's see. It's one type of allowance, okay, but that is not need for the maintenance, but you know. So what do you mean by allowance? It's one type of allowance that is given for the vehicle allowance, okay. But it's one type of allowance that is used for the vehicle allowance, okay. That is not in India concept. That is a concept of a USA. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It was allowed. So that is only given one type of car allowance or vehicle allowance in like others country, not in India. So this is only step how you are just doing given the RAP part, how to do that. So we have calculate who are eligibility for the RAP. So there is one step, eligibility for the RAP. That is reimbursed and allowance. Yes, calculating of it's one type of allowance that is given only in USA or UK, not in India. But you know some part. You just do the calculating of the eligibility of RAPs and you just calculate. Okay. allowance group, which is suppose GLK. See, this is not important, but I can see only some step. So here is you should maintain whatever I am given in a PDF. Okay, you just maintain like that, like that, like that. So that is not required, but still you need. So now 008 configuration is completed. Okay. So how I can see the data of 008? By the help of the PA30. So I think I am hiring that
PA30,
person name
yes.
is. What is the person name is? Allu Arjun.
Allu Arjun.
No, I am asking the personal ID code. That is, I am maintained 6.
9006.
Yeah,
90006, sir.
perfect, 9006. Okay. So now I am going for the maintain 008. This is a part of the payroll process that is known as basic pay. So this is my first time. So I am going for the creative. Okay, whenever going for the first time, I'm going for the creative. Otherwise, edit. Otherwise, display. So what is my group and label? So it's a manager grade. See, there is maintain manager. I just enter it and enter it, enter it, enter it. So I can maintain first one is that is just TPN, and then I maintain 1201. Sorry,
1200.
Okay, I can maintain 1201,
01.
1202. Okay, 20. So I can take suppose total package is 20,000, and I can take the basic 10,000. Whatever. Okay. Okay. I can take 20,000 as total package, so 10,000 is my basic, and 4,000 is my allowance.
5,000.
No, I can take 40%, 4,000. Okay. And 3,000 is my allowance, and 3,000 is my incentive. So now it's around 20,000. 10 plus 4, that is 14, plus 3, 17, plus 3. So total 20. So that is I am mentioning 20. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now I am going
Yes.
to save it.
Yes, sir.
I am going to save it. How I can see my data? By the help of this. Okay, see, 20,000 is my total package, so I can take as basic 10. HRM 4,000, 3, so total 20, that is the mentioned total package. So till now, any confusion? 008, whatever we are doing today.
Oh, no, sir.
No doubt.
So tomorrow there will be classes from 8 to 9. Okay. And tomorrow I am starting the basic configuration. So probably next week I can complete the payroll.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So next week, otherwise next week is
Okay,
which
sir.
date? I think 17 or 18 now, next week. Yes. Around 16, otherwise 20. Between 20, I can complete the payroll process. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Till now, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So tomorrow also, your class timing is same. Tomorrow, I think Friday.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
okay, sir.
No, tell me your doubt.
Sir, after payroll, what will we have, sir? Like benefits, compensation, something is there, no, sir?
Payroll, I am going through the reporting. That is most important because every question they ask. Then we are again discussing about the project class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, there is some, see, that is the oldest. So I am never be teaching because the
Yes, sir.
yeah, benefit and some part of the training equipment that is not requirement because that syllabus is outdated. So I can replace that syllabus and I can give you the latest one. It is reporting. See, whenever you join a company, now they first ask you question, how you are going for the reporting. So that is most important. So I can give you the training reporting. Recruitment and benefits, and that is not important. So you just
Okay, sir.
ignore that. Okay, till now, anyone?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for attending class. So please, tomorrow also you should attend 8 to 9.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Good
Okay,
night,
sir. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Good night, guys.
Good night.